We have two different types of production sheets. This first one that you see is the default one, and this is the one that most of you will see. And you go to a particular day that you need your production sheet for, and then you print it by clicking on the print button. This is going to open up a PDF file, and then you print this out and document what happened and then file it away. You can document things such as the date that you pulled your meat. The prepared column, it comes automatically from your production numbers that you did when you edited the day. You can document what was left over and food temperatures. You'll notice that this spilt over. It's a little bit too big. So I'm going to come back and change this print zoom to 100 so it makes it a little bit smaller. And then I'll print it and it will fit on one piece of paper. So you make this as big as small as you need to depending on how many items you have. If you want to have your static menus come on your production sheet, you need to click on the Settings tab. And here's a place that you can check mark and tell it that you want to use the daily static menu numbers on your shopping list. It's also for your production sheet. And I click on Save. Now when I come back over to Menus, to my main screen and go into Production Sheet, you'll see at the bottom is my static menu or my always available menu. And you can forecast here. If you leave the numbers at 0, it will not go on your shopping list, and that might be something you want to do. But if you do want to go on your shopping list, make sure you forecast. So we'll put some numbers here, and it will put those in there, and then when we print it, it'll have there, and it'll also go on your shopping list. For the second production sheet, let's switch over to that one. This is a forecast production sheet. And it'll look like this. Again, it fills in the numbers for us, and this one will automatically put our always available menus down there if we're using always available. You do not go to the Settings tab and turn it on and off. This one's automatic. But you're going to go ahead and print this out like we did the other one, and you're going to document again what happened for the day. And this format looks a little bit different, but it's important that you fill this out and document it. At some point, you're going to come back to this particular day and then enter the information that you documented onto the program here. And we can document such things as what meals we actually served for lunch. So let's say we did 45 lunches, and dinner we did just 40. I can put in that for the green salad we prepared 45 and we served 40, so there was a waste of 5, and it'll calculate that. So you go to each one of these items, fill this in, and it's going to save it, and it's going to 5 weeks from today it's going to remember what you did, and then it's going to automatically forecast for you. You still can edit and adjust it as you need to, but it will forecast for you once it sees those numbers in there from a previous time. You can go to your always available menu here as well and forecast. Again, everything here will go to your shopping list, and then you can document what you prepared and served and so on. So those are your two production sheets, and let us know if you have any questions.